Have you heard these voices in nature? You know what? The nature speaks, and we must talk with the nature because they are also living organisms. Have you heard this? So today I am sitting near the nature because I wanted to shoot a video upon the nature only, a study video. So today my topic is microorganisms, humus, and what is next? What do you think? It is thirdly decomposers. So today we'll know about all those things and I'll clear the questions that comes in your mind. So firstly, I would like to say that after watching this video, if you like this video, please share it to your friends and family so that they could also learn the things that I will tell to you. So listen properly. So firstly, you know what? When we studies, when we read the book, or while a teacher teaches us, uh, we many questions comes to our mind, and I'll give you answers, and I'll tell you each and every answer which comes in your mind and which I think in many videos. But in this video, I have taken some questions that in most of the children's minds comes. So let's start. Firstly, this question which comes is, who are the microorganisms? What do they feed upon? What do they do? So firstly, what are the microorganisms? And second, what do they feed upon? What do they do? And where they are found? So let me tell it to you. Firstly, where they are found. So microorganisms are found on the dead and decaying parts of the leaves, plants, and animals, even the soil, and in all the living things. If you want to see them, that birds are chirping, no. If you want to see them, you can't see with your naked eye. Don't try to see them because you are unable. Fine, you could see them with the microscope. Okay, it is used for these things only, to watch the microorganisms and micro things. So okay, here microorganisms are fine. First question is clear. Second question, what are microorganisms? Microorganisms are very small organisms. They are also living organisms, but we can't see them with our naked eyes. Okay, then third thing, upon what they feed on. And okay, let me tell you the answer. So they feed upon the dead and decaying matter of the plants and animal tissues. Okay, so they feed upon this only, or yeah, this only. As you can see the image of this. Have you seen the image of this leaf? So this leaf is destroyed. This leaf is dried upon and it is died. So in this type of leaf, the microorganisms are present, which makes it die. They feed upon this only for their growth. Okay, then secondly, are you able to see this image? This is a dye on which there are no microorganisms, but after some time the microorganisms will develop on this, because and they will start eating this creature, beautiful creature. But this happens in the nature, don't worry. Then I think that microorganisms clear. And one wait, remaining thing, what do they do? This question comes in my mind many times, so let me tell you the answer. So the microorganisms do a big thing. You know what is called that? So you know what, I have told that what the microorganisms feed upon. So microorganisms feed upon the dead and decaying plant parts of the plants and animals, and they convert those things into a dark colored substance. Okay, so this is the work of the microorganisms. Now what their substance is called, so that substance is called the humus. I think you have heard mostly about the humus. So what is the humus? It is any living organism, or a soil, or a tree, or a human. What is that? Yeah. So let me tell you that it is it is soil, which is present on the topmost layer of the soil, and it is made with the dead and decaying parts of the plants and animals, and the microorganism decompose them. From that, the humus is made, and it is a dark color substance which is present on the topmost soil, and you can see the image of it. Have you seen the image? So now, have you observed how the humus looks like? And it is very nutritious. And plants, it is, very much, what me to say to you, it is very much beneficial for the plants, and it is a nice surface on which a plant can grow properly. For example, as I am sitting in the environment only, some leaves fall down suddenly. So these type of leaves are known as dead and decaying leaves. If you have not observed the picture carefully, you can see them live. Have you heard its voice? So this is properly died and died. Okay, now what we are doing? A humus. Okay, fine. It is interesting, So humus, as I have already told you, what is humus and what is its work. Now, you know what? The microorganisms which decompose the organic matter of plants and animals are known as decomposers. Because why is it called so? Can't we say them microorganisms only? Wait, we can say them microorganisms only. But you know what? We say them decomposers because there is some reason. Listen, because they decompose the plant and animal matter. So as those microorganisms decompose them, so they are known as decomposers. Okay. Uh, for example, a teacher teaches you. So, wait, there are many microorganisms. Okay, so there are many microorganisms. So it's a common noun, but there is a something special which decompose that, and from the word decompose and the microorganisms, it framed like a decomposers. For example, a person teaches you, so there are many person who teaches you, we don't know. So as a person teaches you, that person who teaches you is known as teacher. Same like that, who decomposes the plant and animal matter is known as decomposer. So it is very easy to learn. Science is very interesting, and the nature as well. So I would like to play in the nature. Okay, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Bye. I'm going to play.